That is so good.
So good.
So eat the sticks.
Is it good?
Yeah.
It's so good.
Yummy. Thanks, bro, but I can't tap you back because I have dirty hands, mate.
We're gonna pour milk. Now we're gonna put butter. Mani put the butter and then you put the, what do you call that, sugar, okay?
Yes. Oh, get off of this.
Now we're gonna add this flour, okay? Now it's time to mix it up.
I wanna mix it. No,
That's too high for you.
It's dangerous. Is this halva?
Put it back here. Yeah, it looks like halva, yes. You don't
Papa,
know?
I can't see the fire.
Can you see it?
Yeah. What's that called again?
Churros.
Churros.
So we're gonna transfer this into bowl.
Ooh.
Keep
Papa, can I do that?
the sugar and cinnamon powder.
Hey, I thought the video was finished.
Alright.
No, I want to do it.
Okay, you do it.
Hey!
You do it, that's alright. Both of you.
Like this. Take some of this, flip it upside down. Take some of this. It smells good.
The fridge. It should be right now.
This smells like sugar and juice and sugar. Papa, smell like sugar and juice.
Now you mix it.
No, I want to mix it.
Okay, you mix it, then Didi will mix it. One by one. No fighting, please.
I see.
Board. And
Yes, this. This is my turn. Hey, it's my turn.
Oh, you take your turn now. From down.
Try it, Daddy. Oh, it's yummy. Is it, Papa?
I don't know. Ask her.
It's yummy.
Now my turn.
What the? Are you helping us to mix this? My turn? Papa know how to mix it. Get it off! Get it off! My turn! My turn! Whose turn is it?
I don't know. My turn so far.
Papa, mine had 2 turns. I had 1.
I didn't have any.
Move out my way. You had 2 turns already.
We need to pour this one into the...
Let go! Let go! Let go! Let go! My turn!
Ma?
Yummy.
A little monster? Alright. Now we need to pour in this one first, then we do...
That's crazy. Are you just gonna do it today?
Yeah. Okay, Manya.
Okay, yucky man.
What did she say?
Yucky man.
Yucky man.
Alif is yucky man. Hey, don't eat that.
This one is broken.
That's okay, Papa. We can shake it. Or we can just put it on that. You can put the paper on that. You can put
This one.
that on that.
See? Oh, it's coming out.
That looks like spaghettis! That looks like spaghettis, Papa! I'm older. And I'm older too. You're younger.
So we're gonna do it. Just teeny one, huh? Not the big ones.
That's a little big.
It is?
Yeah.
And just wait.
Hey, you said you're doing 1, you did 2.
Wait. And then...
Papa! Stop!
What?
It's our turn!
Chal, your turn now.
Okay.
Wait, let me fix
No,
this.
it's not finished, Papa. I'm making something
Just
else.
wait, it's broken. Just wait.
Can we just make shapes from our hands?
Just wait. I'll do the straight one and then you do the round one, okay?
Oh, my spot!
It looks beautiful.
No, it's not. You need some orange.
Orange.
The other orange, what do you use, Pinita? First we eat these, then we go make the other one. Of course, you do it all wrong.
Ah.
Can I try? Can I?
You guys are monsters, eh?
What? I'm a kissing monster.
Monster. Your hands clean.
Yes.
Do the bowl like this. Like how you do it, Candy. Just take a bowl, like a donut bowl, you know? Just beautiful, just like that.
Eat off. Me now. Don't eat with me. Don't I'm scared.
Put just this way. Don't drop it, jump. You throw it, yes, just like that. Mommy, you stay back, please.
Where are you? Pop it?
Let's see with those two.
Later. That looks so good. Can I do it?
And do it here. Pour it here.
Papa.
No, do shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it.
I'm not in this family. You are in this family. But why nobody lets you be shake? You can do Nutella. Me.
Looks nice.
Me, Papa.
Like that.
Can you shake some more? Don't move.
Slowly,
Let
slowly.
go of my hand. I want to do it.
Sure, do it.
No. I'm tasting first. Cheers. Look at that. Nutella. Yum.
Mm.
Yum, yum, yum. Nice
Sugar, Radhi.
donut.
Radhi. Good job.